I don't have a clip of it. I just stopped recording right there, so I'm just gonna cut that. So it's just, I'm gonna be the best fucking dog runner ever, and then it just shows you. I'm just gonna zoom in on chat where it says you got caught.
Well, my question is, where did old Aaron come from?
L1.
No, that's Arun. It's R1.
He hates you, which is completely understandable. 'Cause you're kind of a piece of shit.
Never has happened ever before. Took the same exact route I always do.
R1.
All one.
O1.
It sounds like.
Love it.
Remember how you said about L1, like what it sounds like?
Yeah.
It kind of sounds like that same type of thing, except trying to saying I'll run.
O1. Fuck that boy up. It's trees.
Trees.
It's R2.
What?
Is that Beastender trying to fuck on you? You want to fuck on me? He's dead. R3 is just spying on your ass right now. And R2 is right there. So it's gonna be a slow one.
No, can't go for it.
Yeah, this is going to be
I
a
should
slow
have.
one.
I should have just went for it.
No, because he's right there. I would have fucked you. You have to
We don't have a
take the
damage phase
slows.
yet, do we?
What?
Do we have a damage phase yet?
No.
Trying something.
Trying something as you do the same thing you do it every time.
No, I was gonna do that before you
Cave.
turned around.
Fuck off, all of you. Shot the wall there, I'm not gonna lie. It's
So they're gonna be
L3.
killed. I might have just got trees on me.
Our L3's looking at it.
Well, she's gonna run at me out of nowhere.
Oh, he's just gonna fucking he's scared of your ass. L1. O1.
Aaron?
Yeah, Aaron.
Fast cycle. Where's the last one? What? What? Sorry.
It's R3.
Not sure what dog that was, but one dog is very, 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 very out of place.
Cave.
Did R3 see me? No, he didn't.
Oh, you're Gucci. This is gonna be some good stacks. L1.
Oh, beautiful.
We're getting another one.
Have they grown restless yet?
Yeah, they just did. L2.
Oh, it's L2 and R2.
Okay, well, let's just get L2. You can go whenever. Alright, just use this time to get to your dog.
It's 11. It's good. It's very good. And that's with a slow R2.
If we really wanted to maximize there, we could have gotten 12, but then,
Yeah, we
then we would have got to our dogs. Or at least not me. I would have been way far out. Ooh, okay, so my dog may or may not die. It's time to figure out. Got him very low. I oofed him up real bad.
Well, that'd be R3, right? R3 doesn't bother me. I mean, L3 doesn't bother me at all. Wow.
If he isn't dead,
It's so
he's
much-
very low.
Did you throw a pulse nade at him and just run?
I threw a pulse in the beginning. I emptied 12 shots into him and then pulsated him again.
You should. I emptied 16.
Trees. What are you thinking after this?
Well, it wasn't R1, so I'm gonna check caves.
It's R2. God, R2 is the one that I hate the most. When it's like a late game one.
As soon as he turns around.
Yeah, that R2 is especially far out right now. He just now turned around. R1.
Is R1 on it or no?
No.
Where is he? Like, is he on the rock? Okay, good.
He's around the rock. Yeah.
But it's one of the slower
L2.
ones. I just heard like, oh god, don't shoot this beast handler. I can.
You gonna juke him? L3. I think it's gonna be R3.
Yep, R3.
Dog's on it. He's gonna fuck you your assy. How many stacks are we on?
5.
Oh,
I'm hitting.
oh, he's still there. That dog handler, that beast handler's fucking your ass.
Kill him.
It's alright, we've done slow before. When we
Let's get
got
over there and he's gonna run. He's gonna get over here, he's gonna sprint away.
Why, so we can like recoup his run. God, he's so low. I didn't see how low L3 was.
Being honest, I'm not sure if I saw L3.
He was very a cave. He was very far out when we got it. L1.
Sorry, L1 or Aaron?
Aaron.
Going through safe room because dogs were being annoying. We need to get one more after this.
Easy mode.
It's good.
It's gonna be L3. No, it's
Yep.
not.
It's gonna be L1 again.
Yep.
Perfect. Hit it. Go your dog.
Kill a couple beast handlers first. Here we go.
R2? Please get over here, R2.
You sound like you're in like Star Wars. Alright, did good damage. Ooh, and I got some
Oh, I
nice
got
ammo.
some very nice fucking damage.
I did nice damage and I got all my ammo back, so I'm feeling pretty primed up right now.
Supper, come back right now. My god.
I didn't realize that was 9, I thought that was 8.
No, that's what I was saying, we needed one more.
Trees.
Cave.
Nice, easy, quick stacks. It's R3.
Not. These are very stacks.
Kill some handlers real quick. It's L1.
Sorry, what was it?
L1.
Sorry, what was it?
It's Erwin. God, that
It's actually
beast
by-
handler cucking that dog. L2.
Don't go for that one. Go for the right side one.
Oh, I mean, the dog was about to rotate towards mid. Would have been Gucci.
R2.
It's R2.
It's R2's pretty nice.
R2's really deep into the
Kill this, kill this.
R2. Yeah. Ooh, nice damage, baby. Sexual. So now it's L2.
Is that one looking?
L3's looking right at it. Don't go, don't go. Yeah, just give it a sec. L1 turned around, he's coming back now. Alright, you should be good. L3. You can beat him there easy. He just teleported to L2. Get that beast handler off your ass. What are we at, like 6?
That's gonna be no 7. It's gonna be R1.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, is it?
Yes. God, I got a bunch of handlers on my ass right now.
Just kill him. I'm a while out. Is R1 prime position?
Yes. No, yes.
I heard L1, I think.
It's cave.
I heard L1 too. Shit, alright, I'll look at the cave and then L1. They haven't grown restless yet, so we're doing very, very nice.
Yeah. Alright,
There we go.
We're just gonna get L1 after this, and then we're gonna cheat. What'll that be, 10?
Yeah.
Damn, nice. L1's being gay.
He's walking backwards towards me.
Just fucking send it, full send. Alright. Do your shit. Get your dog. Try not to alert them, because I'm gonna kill a couple handlers. Alright. Alright, this should be easy damage. This should be easy mode damage, I should say.
Oh no!
Alright, I did good damage. I'm in the safe room already, I'm playing it safe. Okay, oh my god.
I wasn't, and I needed that damage. That's nice.
My damage is pretty Gucci. Alright. I only have 12 shots of my shotgun. Should be plenty.
Supper, get back right now.
Trees. That's a nice one to start out with.
R3.
R3, yep. R1.
I'll run.
R1. Oh, he's running, he's running. Right behind you.
Who is?
Never mind, he just ran back again, don't worry about it. R1 was being very stupid, it's L3.
When you say he's running, I need to know like a direction. Like from who? Because that tells me where I need to run.
Oh my god, look how low L3 is.
I can't see him. I tried to look.
It's L2.
I might be a second.
It's alright. L3's looking directly at it. But L1's walking through mid, towards mid. You should be able to go, like, right now.
It's probably gonna be R2 or caves. It's R2 or caves.
It's caves.
Caves, and it's gonna be R2. What the fuck?
It's,
Kill this guy.
yeah, R2. No, me. I can't. I don't have a view on him.
Okay, it's fine.
Just,
R3's being a bitch. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I can't see the handle. You gotta bait him out a little bit towards this way.
I gotta run.
Okay, wow. I think I got him dead. Is he still following you?
No.
Okay, well R2's directly on the flower. Be careful. Play it
When he
safe.
turns around, I'm gonna be
What are we at right now?
6.
Okay, well, we should get at least 7. Haven't even gone restless yet.
I'm gonna go for the safe strat then. I'm going for safe because R3's close.
Alright, that's cool, that's cool. You just dead sprinted out. That means he
Okay,
should
he's howling.
quickly turn around. There you go. Restless. We can get another one after this.
It's gonna be.
L1.
Where's it gonna be? L1? Okay.
It should be an easy one. Ah, fuck off. You wanna
Who's
just
it?
get your dog?
Yep, get your dog, get your dog.
Alright. Oh, it was
These are
trees,
good no
by the way.
stacks.
Got one dog dead.
Got one dog dead.
2 dogs dead.
2 dogs dead. Supper, you better be here, bud.
3 dogs dead.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my god, it's done.